Today, we're diving into Toyota's newest entry in the subcompact SUV segment, the 2025 Toyota Rush. If you're on the lookout for a family-friendly SUV that packs a punch without breaking the bank, stick around because this one's for you. Let's kick things off with some quick details. The 2025 Toyota Rush is a subcompact SUV designed to offer a mix of affordability, reliability, and rugged performance. It seats up to 7 passengers, making it perfect for larger families or adventurers who need a little extra space. Under the hood, we've got a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering around 102 horsepower. Not a powerhouse, but it gets the job done for city and light off-road use. Let's talk about the exterior. The Rush has a bold and stylish look, borrowing design cues from its bigger SUV siblings like the Fortuner. Up front, you get a sharp grille with chrome accents, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular front bumper. The higher ground clearance of 220 mm gives it a commanding presence and adds some off-road credibility. It's not the largest SUV on the market, but it definitely holds its own with rugged appeal. These 17-inch alloy wheels really elevate the look, and the black cladding along the wheel arches adds a sense of adventure. From the back, it's equally appealing with those wraparound taillights and a sporty rear spoiler. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2025 Rush is practical and surprisingly spacious for its class. You've got comfortable fabric seats with good support, and there's plenty of headroom and legroom even for the back passengers. The 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the steering wheel has mounted controls for easy access. While it may not scream luxury, it's designed with functionality in mind. Hard plastics dominate the dashboard, but Toyota has added soft-touch materials where it counts, like on the armrests and door panels. And if you're packing for a trip, you've got up to 514 liters of cargo space with the third row folded down. How does it feel on the road? Well, the comfort level is more than adequate for city driving and light off-roading. The suspension does a great job soaking up bumps, making the ride smooth even on rougher terrain. The seats provide decent cushioning for long drives, but you might feel a bit of bounce on poorly paved roads. That's just the nature of a higher-riding SUV. Now, let's talk performance. As mentioned earlier, the Rush comes with a 1.5-liter engine producing 102 horsepower. It's not the quickest off the line, and you'll definitely notice the lack of power when climbing steep hills or overtaking on highways. But where it shines is in fuel efficiency, offering around 15 to 16 km/L, depending on driving conditions. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Toyota Rush? Well, it's not the most powerful or luxurious SUV out there, but it wasn't designed to be. It's built for families and adventurers who need a reliable, spacious, and budget-friendly vehicle. With its rugged looks, practical interior, and great fuel economy, the Rush is an excellent choice for anyone seeking an affordable yet capable subcompact SUV. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews and content. Drop a comment below if you're considering the 2025 Toyota Rush, or if there's another car you'd like me to check out next. See you in the next video.